Hi children, today we are going to learn about relation between division and multiplication. Children, already you know about multiplication form. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Observe the flowers. There are 3 groups. Have in each group has 4 flowers. So 3 times 4 is 12. If we divide 12 flowers into 3 groups of 4 flowers, 12 divided by 4 is 3. 12 minus 12 is 0. Observe the multiplication form and division form. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. This is multiplication form. Now 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So every multiplication form has a corresponding division form. Therefore, division and multiplication are related to one another. Observe the more examples, children. In the first example, given multiplication form 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Here we write the division form. Observe here. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. If we write the division form, we interchange the number, divisor and quotient, then also we get dividend itself. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಜಕ ಮತ್ತು ಭಾಗಲಬ್ಧಗಳನ್ನು ಅದಲು ಬದಲು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಲೂ ಭಾಜ್ಯ ಅದೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಗುಣಾಕಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಭಾಗಾಕಾರಗಳೆರಡನ್ನೂ ಒಂದನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. Observe the second example, children. 4 into 7 is equal to 28. Here already written division form. Observe it. 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4. Another one, 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7. Now third example. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Here division form 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. In the previous class, you have already learnt about division as repeated subtraction. Let us we continue the chapter 6, division. Let us we solve the exercise 6.1. First main. Divide the following by repeated subtraction. Observe the example, children. Here already written the subtraction form. 20 divided by 4. Here we find out the quotient. Observe here 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So here 20 divides 5 times into group of 4. Therefore 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Let us we divide the first question. 18 divided by 3. Now here we subtract it. 18 minus 3 is equal to 15. 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So here 18 divide 6 times into group of 3. Therefore 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Now we are going to second question. 25 divided by 5. Let us divide the number. Repeated, subtract. 25 minus 5 is equal to 20. 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, 25 divided by 5 is equal to. Now, third question. 40 divided by 10. Let us divide as repeated. Subtract. 40 minus 10 is equal to 30. 30 minus 10 is equal to 20. 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So here 40 is divided 4 times. Therefore 40 divided by 10 is equal to 4. Now fourth question. 35 divided by 7. Let us subtract. 35 minus 7 is equal to 28. 28 minus 7 is equal to 21. 21 minus 7 is equal to 14. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So here we 35 divides 5 times into group of 7. Therefore 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. Thank you, children.